Hello, Neil. Jeff and I are here, and we're here to talk to you a little about our rock, paper, scissors game, or what we call Snap, Crackle, and Pop. As you can see, the buttons are corresponding to the characters and their hats, so that you know which button corresponds to which option. Going over to the schematic diagram and how this works, you will see the LED output circuit. The various pins bring the power to the LED, which then goes through a single resistor and into ground. The button input circuit is a little bit more complicated. We designed it for digital logic as opposed to analog, and this is slightly different than Andrew's example circuit that he gave. So we start with our power source of 5 volts, and from there it splits off into the 3 different buttons, and the button that is pushed will complete the circuit and allow the corresponding pin to show up that it was activated. We have a higher resistor shortly after the pin to allow for the difference in voltage between the different pins to be negligible. So now we're going to have Jeff explain a little bit about the code and demonstrate a little bit about the game.
So like we said, we use a digital instead of an analog circuit. So instead of combining and checking at one point where the voltage is and what it is, we have 3 different points. So we have an if statement, and we say if this button is high, it will do that one. If this button's high, that one. If this button's high, that one. Versus an analog state where we read one signal. So over on the game, it starts off and it reads you the rules, which it will do every time, because this is somewhat unconventional compared to rock, paper, scissors. So let me go over here. Let's pick snap. The buttons flash, and the winner will be determined, and it's the green one. Green is player. So over on the serial monitor, it tells you first what you chose, then what the computer chose, and if it was a win or not. Again, repeats what the rules are and gives a running total of wins. So then we go back here, pick a different one, goes, so now that one's a tie. And see, it lights up one green one to say that there's one game won for the person. And there's a computer win. So it does a computer win, and then the player win. Another player win, so now it does the first computer, first player, second player win. And it will play until a total of 3 wins are earned by either party. That shows a tie. And again, restates the score. Each time the game starts over, it'll do that dance to show you it's ready.
Uh-oh. It's neck and neck. You can do it, Jeff.
Okay. So now it's 2 on 2.
This is for all the money.
And win the game. 2 for computer, but 3 for player. Now it'll just reset everything and begin right where it started.
Alrighty.